Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how to install Google Cloud SDK in your laptop. So why it is important to install? So once you install Google Cloud SDK, you can able to connect with the Google Cloud platform. So that's why it is required to install Google Cloud SDK in your laptop. So let's get started and what I am doing and follow the process. So one a medium article I have written for to install the Google Cloud SDK in Mac. So first of all, what we'll have to do, just this is the piece of command, just you run in your terminal. Then it will start your installation, and then once this is installation done, then you will use Google Cloud in to verify, initialize the SDK. Once it is done, then we will map with your project, with your account ID, what account you are using to log in Google Cloud platform. You just to check and verify. So let me tell you and the Google official website how you will find out the installation process. Here installation Google Cloud CLI for every environment like Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, Red Hat, Mac, Windows. So every environment operating system, so command is available here. For example, you are using Windows, so you can copy this command and install, paste in your local laptop, Windows based laptop. So then it will install, and you can able to connect. If you have a Mac operating system, follow the process here. For example, Mac, you can copy this. So here, let me. This is the piece of command to install. So let me show you one demo. Here you just let me put this, and it is downloading the file. Okay, yes, put yes. So you see, so the process start. So now let me put UI. So now you see the installation is going on. So it will take some time to complete the installation process, but it is mandatory if you are interacting with Google Cloud platform through your laptop. So it is mandatory. So it will take some time. So meanwhile you just check, yeah, continue, enter the path to RCD file update. Okay, so let me check gcloud init. So here my installation is done. So asking to which ID you just want to connect. So let me put one, reinitialize, and to connect with my Google Cloud environment. So this is my project ID which I am working now, number 2. So put number 2, and yeah, so which project I want to connect. So number 1, the I have to put the numerical value 1 my current project which I am working. Let me put yes, and which region and June. So region and June concept I had created one video that that would be helpful, but for now I want to select 7 US Central C, 7 US Central C. So now everything is done. So to verify the all the list, how to verify, gcloud auth list. This is one option. There is a star mark, you can see this is the active account, and gcloud config gcloud config list will display. all the details, like which region, which zone you are, which account you are using, which project you are working with. So every detailed information will display with the gcloud config list command. So I hope this video will be helpful to install the Google Cloud SDK to your local laptop. But here this link I'll provide you in my description box. So for example, you are in Linux environment and how to install. Suppose you are a Windows environment, how to install. So I hope this video will be helpful to configure your Google Cloud SDK with your laptop. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video on Google Cloud related to training, certification, solution architect, every kind of video I am just creating. So stay tuned to get more video. Thank you. Bye bye.